all of our mechanics, they certainly don't work for clowns. These are serious professionals, and we really believe, ABC believes, that the mechanics really are the unsung heroes of our industry. We know that we would literally grind to a halt without their participation. And what's interesting is we all know that this is a job that not only is difficult, but it's getting more and more challenging. There's more complexity to it. We've added more technology to it. They're constantly learning. I mean, how many of us have jobs where we are constantly learning to be able to do what we've done just the previous week, previous month, or previous year? So again, it really is an honor to recognize these people and what they do.